Everyone, not today, but right now I just made up my own challenge. We have handcuffs, my new ones, and we have handcuff keys. See them? They're so pretty. And we have to cuff our hands. If you can't do this part, have somebody help you with it. So yeah. So what you want to do is handcuff your hands. So here, let me just put you like that, and I'm gonna just handcuff my hands. So we're gonna do this one first. Ow. Okay. Okay, we've handcuffed yourself. Still trying to function with this. Okay, put this down again. Okay, we've got our handcuffs on. We've got our keys, and we're gonna see if we can get out. It's gonna be hard. Ready, and set, go. Got one out. This is not really a hard challenge, but I'm having trouble with this one. Now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna I don't know if this one's gonna work, but we're gonna scoot y'all closer. Right there. That's me, Makai. Okay, so we're gonna scoot you closer and turn our chair, and we're gonna handcuff the chair really tight to my hands, and then so really tight, and then this one you have to tie on something that's, I'm just tying on this. I don't even know how I'm doing this with one hand. It's so hard a little bit. Oof. So hard. Okay, wait. Here, wait, let me get back with you guys when I figure this all out. Okay, guys, we figured this all out. This hand is tied, and this hand is like that. I had to get my keys. So what we're gonna do first is get the oopsies. Baby, I don't know how I'm getting now. Oh, my tummy. I got an idea. We're gonna take our shoes off. Alright. There we go. Okay, what we're gonna do first is like try and we're gonna try and scoot you guys up. I just like, there we go. Okay, I have no idea if you can see that. Sorry, that was my back. Okay, so I'm gonna like, ready, set, go. There's no way I would do it if like nobody was here but my brother's here. Just come on, get out. I can't do this. This part is actually a little harder because you have to like get the key right on target. It's like, so hard. This is so hard to do. It's not so hard, but it's just harder to do than the first one I did. The first one was actually easier. The king's drums. Now the king's drums. The king's drums again. I've got it out. Sorry, I'm like trying to get the key safe out. Now I gotta get this one with one hand. Or we'll do this part first. Nah, we can't do that. This is like impossible. Here, let's put the key. Look, we figured something out. So like, we're gonna try to hold this. Dang it, it's on the other side. There we go. And like, hold this. We're out of them. That took a while. Yeah. So now we're gonna. Oh, that was harder. That one was a lot harder. Comment down below if you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like like, and subscribe. Comment down below. And give this video 2 thumbs up. Bye.